just so much to celebrate. I hope to make it clear, in honor of your special day that comes but once a year. It's time to raise a glass at last and give a toast or two. So I'm sending out this birthday wish to you. Oh, how I love your smiling face and cheerful attitude. When you arrive, most any place, you liven up the mood. We built so many memories, you knew that I'd come through by sending out this birthday wish to you. Singing happy, happy birthday, may your blessings never end. Singing happy, happy birthday to a most extraordinary friend. Another year has come and gone, oh how the time flies by. But happiness goes on, and here's the reason why. It's sharing precious moments with your friends and family too. So I'm sending out